Green peas are an essential agricultural crop, highly valued for their nutritional benefits and widespread use in various products. Each year, American farmers harvest up to 1.8 billion pounds of green peas, an impressive figure made possible by advancements in modern agricultural technology. But how are green peas planted, cultivated, harvested, and processed before reaching consumers? Let's explore the answer right here. The journey begins in early spring when farmers prepare the land for planting. Peas grow well in cool climates, and areas such as Washington, Wisconsin, Oregon, and Minnesota have ideal conditions with well-drained soil and mild temperatures. When the soil warms to about 145 DFF and there is no longer any danger of frost, farmers get to work. They use modern machinery such as disc cultivators and rotary tillers to loosen the soil, remove weeds, and create the best conditions for seeds to germinate and grow healthily. Farmers use modern seed drills to ensure that seeds are sown at a depth of 1 to 2 inches, spaced 1 to 2 inches apart, with rows spacing of 18 to 24 inches. These advanced agricultural tools enable farmers to plant quickly, accurately, and efficiently over large areas. As a result, seeds are evenly distributed, optimizing growing space, promoting strong plant development, and significantly increasing overall harvest yield. When seeds germinate, proper irrigation plays a crucial role in the growth of plants. Farmers utilize modern irrigation systems that provide even water distribution, preventing waste while ensuring optimal plant development. Fertilizers are applied using advanced machinery to optimize nutrient intake without excess or negative environmental impact. Additionally, modern spraying equipment, including drones and automated spraying systems, helps control pests without compromising crop quality. After 50-70 days, peas reach their perfect ripeness. The ideal time for harvesting is when the pods are fully developed, plump, yet still tender. Nowadays, farmers no longer harvest manually as they did in the past, but instead use specialized harvesting machines to improve efficiency and productivity. Integrated grain harvesters are the top choice for large farms, especially those specializing in the production of frozen beans, thanks to the ability to harvest and peel seeds right in the field, significantly reducing post-harvest processing. When in operation, the front bucket collects the bean plants into the machine, guiding them into a high-speed rotating drum system. Where the beans are carefully separated from the pods without damage. The bean shells are then crushed and dispersed in the field, acting as natural fertilizer to help improve soil quality. fresh beans will be transported via conveyor belt to large containers, ready for further processing. Each integrated grain harvester can harvest 3 to 6 tons of peas per hour, helping to shorten harvesting time and significantly reduce labor costs. Canada, China, and India are the world's largest producers of peas, with Canada leading in exports. Thanks to the application of modern technology, large farms in Saskatchewan and Manitoba can harvest thousands of hectares each year, ensuring a stable supply for the global market. Although technology has helped automate the harvesting process, some peas are still picked by hand. Farmers carefully inspect the plants, gently lifting each branch to find the plump beans, and picking them by hand to ensure the best quality. After harvesting, peas are transported immediately to the processing factory to maintain freshness and highest nutritional content. After being harvested, peas are quickly brought to the factory to undergo a modern processing process, ensuring the highest freshness and quality. Right from receipt, the beans are thoroughly cleaned through multiple washes with high-pressure water. The washing water is strictly controlled through an advanced filtration system, helping to maintain hygiene standards. Next, they will be peeled in an automatic process, helping to keep the beans intact without affecting the shape or texture. After the cleaning stage, the peas are carefully checked for size and quality. Only those that meet the standards are moved to the next step. To maintain their bright green color and retain their natural sweetness, they are blanched in hot water for the optimal amount of time before undergoing a quick cooling process. The deep freezing method helps preserve beans for a long time while still maintaining their crispness and nutritional value. After being frozen, peas are stored in warehouses with a strict control system, ensuring that each batch is carefully recorded with clear information about its origin and expiration date. Before packaging, they undergo an additional screening process to remove any peas that do not meet quality standards. Each bag or box of finished peas is carefully sealed, ready for transportation to supermarkets and food processing plants worldwide. Thanks to the modern processing system and rigorous quality control, peas reach consumers while maintaining their fresh quality and absolute safety. The journey of peas, from vast fields to modern processing factories, is a testament to the perfect combination of nature, agricultural techniques, and advanced technology. Every step, from soil preparation, planting, harvesting, processing, to storage, is done with precision and dedication, helping to bring consumers the freshest and most nutritious beans. What do you think about this wonderful journey? Do you have any questions or comments? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to continue discovering fascinating stories about the world of agriculture. See you in the next video. Have you ever wondered how those tiny sesame seeds, which seem so small, transform into a widely popular ingredient in kitchens and the global food industry? Today, we will explore the fascinating journey, starting from sowing seeds in vast fields to the intricate production process of the beloved sesame products we enjoy. Sesame is not only famous for its delicious and distinctive flavor, but also for its high nutritional value, making a significant contribution to global cuisine around the world. The journey of sesame begins with careful cultivation. Sesame plants thrive in warm, dry climates. Countries like India, China, Sudan, Myanmar, and Ethiopia have a long history of sesame farming and are now among the world's top producers. Sesame is drought-resistant and highly adaptable, making it well-suited to areas with limited rainfall. This adaptability makes sesame an ideal crop for regions needing water conservation. Sesame is usually planted after the rainy season, allowing the seeds to germinate in warm, well-drained soil. Nowadays, many farms have adopted automated planting technologies with modern machinery, ensuring even spacing between seeds and optimizing crop density in the field. This has made the sowing process faster and more efficient, significantly saving time and labor compared to manual methods. Over a few months, sesame plants grow and bloom with small, white or slightly pink flowers, creating a beautiful landscape in the fields. When the plants mature, usually about 90 to 100 days after sowing, the leaves and stems turn yellow and begin to fall off, indicating that the seeds are ripe. Today, sesame harvesting is carried out using specialized sesame harvesters. With these advanced machines, sesame plants are quickly harvested through mechanisms that cut, thresh, and filter the seeds directly within the equipment. Sesame harvesters can cut and gather the plants, then separate the seeds from the pods, minimizing seed loss. Modern machines are typically designed to adjust speed and pressure appropriately, which helps prevent seed breakage and ensures seed quality after harvesting. As a result, the harvesting process is faster, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. After being harvested, the sesame seeds are transported to storage or subsequent processing stages with minimal labor, making the harvesting process more professional and efficient. First, let's explore the tahini production process from sesame seeds. After harvest, sesame seeds are packed in breathable bags to protect them from moisture, which is essential to maintain their quality during transportation. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the seeds are carefully cleaned using vibrating screening machines that remove impurities such as soil and stones. This process uses special filters of appropriate sizes, allowing small impurities to fall through while retaining the sesame seeds. The next step in the sesame processing procedure involves roasting, a process that intensifies the flavor of the seeds and brings out their signature nutty aroma. The time and intensity of roasting are carefully monitored and controlled, as these factors directly affect the taste and color of the final sesame products. Once the seeds are roasted, they are then ground into a smooth, fine paste, using either traditional stone grinders or advanced machinery, depending on the facility. This step is essential for ensuring the quality and consistency of the final product. For tahini, liquid ingredients like water or lemon juice are gradually mixed in to achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. The product is then filtered and undergoes thorough quality checks, including assessments of flavor, texture, purity, and compliance with strict production standards. In the packaging process, tahini is placed into a variety of containers, including jars, bottles, and large drums, to facilitate bulk distribution to different markets. Automated machinery is used to ensure the precise filling of tahini into each container, which helps maintain consistent weight and volume, while also enhancing overall production efficiency. Today, Turkey is the largest exporter of tahini in the world, accounting for approximately 40% of the global market share. Annually, Turkey exports over 1,500 tons of tahini. The largest importers of tahini are the United States, Germany, and Saudi Arabia, with a combined import volume of around 2,500 tons each year. Overall, the global tahini market is steadily growing at a rate of about 5% per year, driven by increasing demand for healthy and natural food products. Tahini sauce has a rich, nutty flavor and is an essential ingredient in many Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes, often used as a key component in recipes like hummus, baba ganoush, or served alongside bread and vegetables. Additionally, tahini is widely used in European and American cuisine, frequently added to sauces, salads, and grilled dishes to enhance creaminess and impart a unique flavor. Additionally, sesame oil is a widely popular product extracted from sesame seeds, a meticulous process requiring skill and care to ensure the quality and unique flavor of the oil. Sesame oil is rich in nutrients, particularly unsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, B vitamins, and antioxidants. The process begins with roasting the sesame seeds, which is a crucial step, as roasting enhances the seed's aroma and flavor while also increasing the oil extraction efficiency. The roasting temperature needs to be carefully controlled to avoid burning the seeds, as this would impact the flavor and quality of the sesame oil. After roasting, the sesame seeds are placed in an oil press machine. In modern oil extraction technology, there are two main methods: cold pressing and hot pressing. Cold pressing retains most of the nutrients in the sesame seeds, resulting in oil with a natural color and a light aroma. Hot pressing, on the other hand, generally yields a higher volume of oil, but may lose some nutritional value due to high temperatures. Once pressed, the extracted sesame oil may still contain small impurities and needs to go through a filtration process to remove residues, ensuring the oil is clear and pure. After filtration, the oil may undergo further processing stages, such as deodorizing and clarifying, depending on market demands. Finally, the sesame oil is packaged in specialized bottles or containers and stored in a cool, dry place to prevent oxidation. Sesame oil is a nutritious product with many health benefits, such as protecting cardiovascular health, supporting digestion, and enhancing skin health. With its versatile nature, sesame oil can be used daily in dishes like stir-fries, salads, soups, or even as a dipping sauce for fried or boiled foods. When stir-frying vegetables or meat, just a small amount of sesame oil can add a distinct flavor, making the dish richer and more enticing. Another highly popular product made from sesame seeds is halva, a traditional sweet treat that is cherished in many cultures around the world. The production of halva also begins with roasted sesame seeds, which are then ground into a thick, smooth paste. This paste is then mixed with ingredients like sugar or honey and heated to form a thick, semi-solid mixture. Depending on local preferences, nuts or other flavorings can be added, creating various types of halva. Once the mixture is shaped, It cools and hardens into blocks or molds, ready to be packaged and distributed. Thank you for joining us on the journey of sesame seeds from the fields to the production facilities. From the fields where sesame seeds are grown and harvested, to the factories where they're transformed into delicious and nutritious products, each step in this process showcases a unique blend of tradition and modern technology. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let us know which food production journey you'd like to see next. Have you ever wondered which type of wood is both the lightest in the world and yet still incredibly durable? That is balsa wood, a special material with countless applications in life. Today, let's explore the magical journey of balsa wood, from planting, harvesting, to processing, turning it into a valuable resource for many industries. The journey of growing balsa trees begins with an important stage, preparing the seedlings. First, balsa seeds are carefully selected to ensure the highest quality. They are sown in nursery houses where factors such as temperature, humidity, and light are tightly controlled to aid the germination process. In particular, suitable soil must have a pH of 6 to 7.5. Ensure it is loose and rich in nutrients to create ideal conditions for the growth of young plants. In addition, the seedlings are periodically exposed to the sun to take advantage of natural light, helping the seedlings grow healthily and sustainably. When the seedlings are ready, they are planted in fields that have been prepared with an irrigation system, ensuring adequate water and nutrients are provided for the plants to grow. The transfer of seedlings from the nursery to the field is carried out with the support of modern machinery, which helps protect the seedlings during transportation and planting, while also improving work efficiency. Balsa wood is famous for its incredible growth rate. From the moment of planting, these trees reach maturity in about 7 years, which is a very short time compared to other hardwood species. In the first year alone, balsa trees can grow up to 6 meters tall, with their leaves reaching a diameter of up to 1 meter. This rapid growth is supported by exposure to sunlight and adequate watering, both of which are essential for their strong development. The rapid growth of these plants requires routine care, such as weed removal and pruning. These activities are important for maintaining plant health, preventing pests, improving air circulation, promoting light access to the foliage, aiding nutrient absorption, and ensuring plant productivity, maximum yield throughout the growth cycle, and sustainable development. Balsa trees will grow continuously year after year, and by the 5th year, they reach maturity with an average height of about 29 meters and an average diameter of 29 centimeters. This remarkable growth rate clearly demonstrates the incredible adaptability of the balsa tree when grown in the right environment, thereby making it an important, sustainable, and valuable natural resource. High economic value for many diverse industries. Harvesting balsa wood is an important and essential step in the entire cultivation process and requires thorough and careful preparation. Depending on the specific climate conditions and the growing area, balsa trees are typically ready for harvest after approximately 5 to 7 years of planting. This age is considered ideal for the trees to reach their optimal height and diameter, ensuring the best possible quality for various uses. In some regions, people often carry out the harvesting manually, using saws and other tools to cut the trees into suitable sections that match the needs for transportation and processing. In certain regions, harvesting is carried out using specialized machinery specifically designed to cut and collect stalks quickly and efficiently. These advanced machines can harvest an average of 1 to 2 hectares per day, significantly faster than traditional manual methods, saving valuable time and reducing the demand for labor, with each machine capable of replacing the work of approximately 10 to 15 people. Moreover, modern machinery helps to minimize damage to adjacent forest areas, thereby ensuring sustainability in production while effectively protecting the surrounding natural ecosystem. In the processing stage, the balsa tree trunks are converted into versatile and highly valuable products. The production process at the sawmill begins with receiving wood from trucks and transferring it to the yard, where it will be inspected and sorted according to criteria such as species, diameter, and quality. After thorough measurement and inspection, the logs are divided into different groups: premium veneer wood, saw logs used for various products, or lower grade wood sold to pallet manufacturers. During this process, the sawmill manager plays a crucial role in maintaining the wood inventory, monitoring each log's condition and making appropriate cutting decisions. Especially in the summer, when wood can degrade quickly, keeping inventory levels low is essential. Fall and winter, however, act as a natural refrigerator, allowing the wood to be stored longer and preserving it over time. After the wood is debarked and inspected for metal to prevent dulling the saw blades, it is transferred to the primary saw to be cut into smaller boards. Modern technology is used to scan and measure the wood, allowing the sawyers to cut the wood accurately and quickly. The boards are then further processed, such as edging, and carefully checked for quality. At the sorting station, the inspector will determine the thickness, quality, and final cutting decisions for each board, ensuring that the final product meets the required quality standards and customer specifications. Once the boards are completed, they are carefully reclassified and packaged according to strict standards, labeled by species, thickness, and quality before being sent to the shipping area. Here, they are loaded onto trucks and delivered to customers. The entire production process requires a seamless combination of advanced technology and a skilled, experienced team, ensuring that the final wood product not only meets high-quality standards, but also effectively fulfills the diverse needs and demands of the market. Thanks to its combination of lightweight and good hardness, balsa wood is widely used in various applications, including plywood, construction models, and insulation. In particular, balsa wood is also used in the wind energy industry to manufacture turbine blades. With its lightweight and durable properties, balsa wood helps reduce the overall processing facilities ensure that balsa wood is accurately manufactured and retains its quality, meeting the technical standards of the renewable energy industry. Now, let's update on the current status of balsa tree cultivation in 2024. Recent studies have indicated that global demand for balsa wood has surged due to its increased use in renewable energy projects. To meet this demand, sustainable farming practices are becoming increasingly important, helping to preserve the fragile ecosystems where balsa trees grow. In South America alone, over 1,500 hectares of land are now dedicated to balsa tree cultivation, with an annual harvest exceeding 1.5 million cubic meters. This highlights the critical role of balsa wood in both economic and environmental contexts. And that's the end of today's video. We hope this journey into the world of balsa tree cultivation has given you a deeper appreciation for this remarkable material and the efforts involved in its farming and processing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment to let us know what you found most interesting. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next documentary. In the vast greenhouses of Spain, spanning over 1,000 acres, cherry tomatoes are grown under strictly controlled conditions. This region, covering nearly 4,000 hectares, is renowned as a hub for high-quality cherry tomato production, supplying both domestic and international markets. So how do these tiny cherry tomatoes grow perfectly and achieve the highest quality? The answer will be revealed in the video below. The cultivation process begins with careful preparation of the soil or medium. Farmers use nutrient-rich fertilizers, including composted organic fertilizers and NPK fertilizers, to create an optimal foundation for young plants. In order to improve production efficiency and optimize resources, a modern drip irrigation system is installed, helping to provide precise amounts of water, avoiding waste and flooding. One of the important factors that helps cherry tomatoes achieve high quality is a modern greenhouse system with advanced climate control technology. This system helps regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation precisely, creating ideal conditions for plants to grow. Before planting, the substrate is thoroughly disinfected to remove pathogens, helping the plant have a clean and nutritious environment right from the start. Farmers select the most suitable cherry tomato varieties for greenhouses, prioritizing high yield, strong disease resistance, and natural sweetness. After about 2 to 3 weeks, when seedlings develop 3-4 true leaves, they are transplanted into fixed growing positions with proper spacing. A trellis system supports vertical growth, optimizing greenhouse space. To ensure healthy development, the greenhouse temperature is maintained between 70 and 85 DFF during the day and no lower than 60 DFF at night. The cherry tomato plant care process requires meticulousness and precision to achieve high yields. Watering is done regularly with the right amount, ensuring the necessary humidity. Growers also prune branches carefully, gradually removing small side shoots so that the tree can focus maximum energy on fruit production and healthy growth. Mulch, like straw or organic mulch, helps keep the soil moist, limits water evaporation, and maintains a stable growing environment for plants. The flowering stage is crucial for ensuring successful fruit set. Growers can support pollination by gently shaking the plant stems or using specialized equipment to increase fruit set rates. After this process, the petals fall off, revealing young fruits gradually developing. At this stage, the plants require sufficient light, water, and nutrients, especially potassium-rich fertilizers, to promote fruit growth, ensuring optimal size and natural sweetness. After about 8-10 weeks, cherry tomatoes reach perfect ripeness and are finally ready for harvest. To ensure maximum freshness and extend shelf life, harvesting is done early in the morning when the temperature is cooler and more favorable for the process. Skilled harvesters carefully pick only tomatoes with uniform color, standard size, and intact stems to enhance preservation. This careful harvesting process is always carried out meticulously to maintain fruit quality and effectively prevent bruising. In modern agriculture, robots harvesting tomatoes in greenhouses help increase productivity and reduce labor costs. Equipped with optical sensors and artificial intelligence, they detect the ripeness of tomatoes and pick them gently thanks to flexible robotic arms. In addition, the robot operates continuously, not affected by weather or fatigue, ensuring a stable harvesting process. This system also integrates real-time data to optimize work, helping products meet standards before distribution. With outstanding benefits, harvesting robots are contributing to promoting technology application in agriculture. After harvesting, cherry tomatoes are processed immediately to ensure the best freshness and quality before distribution. First, they are thoroughly washed with water, then sent to the sorting line using modern optical machines according to size, color, and ripeness to ensure uniformity in each production batch. The Fruits that meet the standards will be carefully packaged into specialized boxes or bags with ventilation holes to help maintain freshness, while the fruits that do not meet the requirements will be discarded. This process helps ensure products reach consumers with consistent quality and safety. For dried cherry tomatoes, the production process needs to preserve the natural flavor and important nutritional value. Ripe fruits are carefully selected, ensuring uniform size, thin skin, and high flesh content, helping the finished product achieve the best quality. They are carefully washed, cut in half, and sprinkled with a little pure salt to effectively absorb moisture and increase preservation time. Next, tomatoes can be dried naturally in the sun or dried using modern industrial methods at low temperatures to preserve their original color and rich flavor. The cherry tomato's journey from farm to table is incredible. What do you think about current cherry tomato growing and processing technologies? Have you ever tried dried or canned cherry tomatoes in your dishes? Please leave your opinion below in the comments section. If you like this documentary, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to discover more interesting stories about the world of agriculture. Did you know that each year American farmers grow and harvest more than 1.6 billion pounds of celery? Not only crunchy and sweet, celery is also a rich source of fiber, vitamin K, and many important nutrients, contributing to improving health and enriching the flavor of dishes around the world. Let's explore this vegetable's exciting journey from lush fields to dinner tables, where each plant is meticulously harvested by dedicated farmers. To ensure optimal growth and high yield, the soil is loosened using specialized machinery, allowing roots to anchor and expand easily. Weeds and plant residues are removed to reduce nutrient competition and minimize pest risks. Next, the field is leveled and arranged into rows, promoting uniform growth and efficient irrigation. This preparation process ensures seedlings receive adequate nutrients and ideal conditions for strong development. Planters play an important role in this period. Workers place the seedlings in the tree-holding trays on the machine. Then the rotating disc and planting groove system automatically brings the trees to the ground at the correct depth and distance. Thanks to this mechanized process, trees are planted evenly, optimizing area and ensuring good development. Using these mechanized systems, farmers can plant thousands of celery plants per hour, significantly reducing labor costs and increasing production efficiency. Throughout the growing season, celery plants need careful care to grow well and produce a quality harvest. In An irrigation system provides the right amount of water, while a nutrient management plan ensures plants fully absorb minerals. Farmers also use organic or synthetic fertilizers to promote growth. Pest monitoring is carried out regularly, combined with integrated pest management methods to minimize risks. Celery is typically harvested when it reaches a height of 12 to 18 inches, has sturdy stems, and is bright green. Thanks to modern agricultural technology, the harvesting process becomes quick and precise. In California, advanced harvesters help improve productivity and ensure product quality. These machines are equipped with sharp horizontal blades that cut close to the root without damaging the stems and young leaves. Smart sensors ensure each row of plants is cut evenly, maintaining optimal freshness and quality after harvest. Although mechanical harvesting is very efficient, manual labor is still necessary, especially on small farms or with high-end celery. Currently, many farms apply semi-automatic harvesters, where workers cut celery by hand but are supported by an integrated conveyor belt, helping to quickly transport it to the processing area, reducing heavy labor. Some machines also have high-pressure water jets for pre-cleaning and can assist with packaging right in the field. Combining machinery and manual labor helps increase productivity while reducing wastage and keeping celery fresh longer. For high-end products, manual harvesting is still prioritized to ensure beautiful appearance in accordance with retailers' requirements. These innovations help farmers maintain consistent quality while optimizing production. After harvesting, celery is transported to modern processing facilities, where it undergoes a series of steps to ensure it meets the highest standards. First, high-pressure water jets remove any remaining dirt. Next, the celery is carefully sorted and inspected, with damaged or substandard stalks being discarded. It is then trimmed and cut into appropriately sized portions based on its intended use. Finally, the celery is freshly packaged, ready for distribution and delivery to consumers. Another product that can be harvested from the celery plant is celery root, celeriac. Unlike regular celery, which is grown for its stems, celery tubers are grown primarily to harvest the swollen roots, which have a unique flavor and are rich in nutrients. This type of tuber is often harvested using a specialized machine, which operates similarly to a sugar beet or carrot harvester. These machines use blades or tuber lifters to gently loosen the soil, then pull the tubers out of the ground without damaging the skin. Then, the celery tubers are transported to the factory for further processing and packaging. After harvesting, celeriac is sent to a modern processing system, where it undergoes cleaning and sorting to ensure quality. The process begins with transporting the roots into the cleaning system, minimizing damage. Next, they undergo preliminary cleaning, followed by soaking in water tanks to remove soil clinging to the surface. A high-pressure water spray system then eliminates remaining impurities, ensuring thorough cleaning before further processing. Finally, the celeriac undergoes a gentle polishing process, leaving the surface clean and smooth before being packaged in various formats, from retail products in supermarkets to bulk supply for large-scale food processing. We invite you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Have you ever visited a celery farm or witnessed the harvesting process? Do you prefer fresh celery whole or pre-cut and packaged? Tell us what agricultural topics you would like to explore in the next documentaries. Thank you for following. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring the world of agriculture.